Hey dude, have you heard about this new Clockology watch face apps?
What is that? A new dating apps?
No, please stop thinking girls even for a minute. It's the new watch face designing apps made by Clockology Developer.
You are talking about this apps?
Yes, that's the one.
Okay, so what is new about that apps?
The possibilities for new styles are endless. You can create and view personalized, interactive watch faces that are all compatible with the always-on display. With a powerful editor, you can tap into your creative side and make your own feature-rich faces using complications, custom-tailored to the information and visuals you would like to see.
Yahoo!
You can browse custom watch faces designed exclusively for Clockology watch faces in the Ideas section, or the Explore tab. By simply tapping the design you want to edit for your watch, it will easily go to your editor. And ready for your edit or upload to your Apple Watch. In addition, you can share and import creations from other users around the world. Send watch faces directly from your Apple Watch or iOS watch apps. As a Faces Plus subscriber, you can get access to premium layer features like weather and image strips. You also gain access to spectacular watch faces designed exclusively for Faces Plus. Clockology watch faces has support for the following layer types. Activity and Health uses Apple Health integration to show steps and activity goals. The information can be represented as rings, bars, or text. For the image, add PNG or JPG images to your complications and preserve PNG transparency. For the date and time, you can display things like current hour, minute, or seconds with a wide variety of fonts and effects. You can add icons to your creations for visual appeal, and shapes to overlay or fill areas of your complications, using gradients and effects. For complex images that change based on dates or time or the phase of the moon, you can use image strips. Using your current location, it will show the weather forecast as an icon, temperature, or words. For the hands, you can use vectors or custom images to add moving hands to any complication. And a lot more to come.
Cool. Time for me to download.